today is the launch ceremony of Kia Sonet and we are here at the Kia Motors. This is the Pune branch, the Baner branch in Pune, and we are here to review the car and we'll give you all the details which you want to know. So let's go.
Today happens to be the launch ceremony of Kia Sonet at Pune and I'm so excited to get the first look of the car, so here it goes. Wow, the car looks really cool and it looks sturdy enough and I'm sure it will have an amazing road presence. The color right here is beige gold and this is one of the top end models GTX Plus. However, I really like the intense red color which Kia has launched, so let's check that one out. The car looks really impressive and I think Kia has done a great job in terms of styling. Let's check out some of the features. The first thing that caught my eye was the Kia signature Tiger Nose grille, which is glossy black and has red accents. It also has the GT line logo as this is the GTX Plus model. It gives Sonet a distinct look and takes the style quotient to stunning new heights. It comes with parking sensors, both front and rear. It comes with projector fog lamps, crown jewel LED headlamps, and heartbeat LED DRL with integrated indicators. Don't worry guys, if you think it's too technical, we'll take it easy. Even I'm not a car enthusiast, but I got to know these terms while researching about them as I'm planning to buy a car in the compact SUV segment and Kia Sonet happens to be one of the contenders. And I must say, it is a pretty strong one. Let's check out some more features, shall we? Now, if you look at the wheels, they are the crystal cut alloy wheels with red wheel cap which give this car a sporty and premium look at the same time. If you move towards the right, the plush chrome door handles definitely deliver a style statement. The glass windows, both at the front and back, are big enough, which is really nice as the passengers sitting behind would also enjoy the view and won't feel claustrophobic. Another cool feature that this car has to offer is the sunroof. I'm myself very fond of sunroof, but this is only available in the GT variant and not in the HT X Plus variant which I have my eye on. It also has a shark fin which is sleek, visually pleasing and definitely better looking than the antenna. If we move towards the back of the car, we see the heartbeat LED tail lamps that I mentioned earlier. They definitely provide a very distinct look and makes the back look aggressive. We also get a rear defogger at the back along with an additional wiper blade. Kia Sonet gives you a 392 liters of boot space which is the best in segment. That is, it is the highest when compared to Tata Nexon, Hyundai Venue, Vitara Brezza and similar cars. It also comes with this parcel shelf or parcel tray, whatever you like to call it. And as you can see, it has a stunning side profile and I am in love with this car when it comes to styling. Let's get in and have a look at what's inside. The first thing that we see here is the 4.2 inches color instrument cluster that offers you detailed car information so that you are always in charge. Then comes a 10.25 inches HD touchscreen navigation that is again a first in segment. It will definitely make navigation a lot easier and fun. The steering has mounted controls on both the sides. From the left, you can receive calls and operate your music system, while on the right, you have cruise control settings and an option to operate your instrument cluster. Here you can see the push button for engine to start and stop and few additional controls like electronic stability control and headlight beam adjuster. The door has automatic power window controls and also side mirror adjustment controls. It also has a feature to lock the windows so that no one accidentally opens the window while high-speed cruising. This is really standout feature considering the safety. Here we have number of controls for AC, defoggers, air regulators, rear view camera, drive modes and traction control. It's an automatic car, so the gear looks something like this. You also get a USB port and a fast charging port along with 12-volt power outlet. The car also provides wireless charger for hassle-free charging experience. Here we have a manual handbrake, cup holders and a handrest which also has a little bit of storage space. It's tiny and won't even fit your mobile phone. It offers a first-in-segment Bose Premium 7-speaker system with LED sound mood light, but again, only available in the GT line variant. The electric sunroof is definitely a standout feature and has created a lot of buzz already. It gives compact SUV lovers a chance to connect with the outside world. Moving towards the back, AC vents are also present at the back and company is claiming to provide an air purifier with virus protection, which I guess is the first ever. There's also a USB charger at the back, as you can see, which is really nice to have and shows that company really cares about the passengers at the back as well. There are seat belts for 3 people at the back, but there will definitely be a space crunch in that case. Also, I forgot to capture, but there's a pull-out armrest in between the seats with coffee mug holders, which is really nice to have on a long road trip. The adjustable headrests are given, keeping in mind the comfort of the passengers. Again, moving on to the front, there's yet another first-in-segment standout feature. The company has launched ventilated front seats that make every drive a breeze, especially in hot and humid conditions. This is how its engine looks like. I don't know a lot about it, but it is called Turbo GDI and it generates power of 120 bhp and the torque of 172 Nm. Overall, the all-new Kia Sonet is loaded with features, is amazing in terms of styling and definitely a strong contender in my search for a compact SUV. However, I am waiting to get a test drive and I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Please do like and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on the new videos that I'm going to be uploading. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, bye-bye.